This model kit review is of the MEBF 109G, and it's a 1/72 scale model by Revell. Here are the dimensions. Got some nice box art here. We've got some details here about the plane. Really nothing else on the box. Let's have a look inside here and see what we have. So here's our cockpit canopy. We've got some flashing here. It's okay the way it's molded. We've got our wheels, sorry, our wings, and we've got some recessed panel lines there. Here are the lower wings. There are the wheel wells and nothing on the inside really there. We've got our fuel tank here, which is a central fuel tank. We've got our cockpit seat there. Our landing gear wheel well covers. These are our elevators. Let's have a look on the inside here. We've got a little detail here for our cockpit sidewalls, and we've got some flashing. Here looks like probably part of our cockpit here. There's our instrument panel. We've got our propeller, wheels. There's our spinner, landing gear. And here's our tail gear. Got our yoke or control column. Here's our exhausts, and then some recessed panel lines and a few rivet lines on the body. So really not too bad. Let's have a look at our instructions, and we'll look at our decals. So first of all, here there are the colors needed, and let's have a look. So starting here is our parts listing, and then we start off with our cockpit. Instrument panels added. That's all then mounted along with our exhaust to the inside of the fuselage, and the fuselage is then glued together. And next we put our wings together there, and that's then mounted to our fuselage along with our rudder and stabilizer. These are the landing gear, and that's mounted along with the tail dragger. That's the fuel tank there, and then all the additional little pieces for the wings, pitot tubes and so on. Mount our propeller and spinner, and then finally our canopy. Now here is the painting and decal guide there. And here's another option here. Another option for the painting and decal guide right there. So that's also from 1945 from Berlin. And those are the colors needed with their code. So lastly, we've got our decal sheets here. And that's actually quite nicely printed with a good amount of detail there for all of our decals. So all in all, good decals, but some cockpit details. The wheel wells aren't that great.